What's going on, everyone? We're here today at Morinda Skatepark, and we are on a quest, us here at Braille Skateboarding, to find every single skate park in the Bay Area and skate it, because who are we if not the utmost authority on skate parks in this area? And if we have not been to one, we're failing. Isn't that right, Chris McNugget?
Yep, always failing.
Always failing, but always succeeding too when we find the skate parks and we skate them.
Sure.
So before we go and get into this video, I just want to stress the importance of a good insole, not only for skating, but for people like me who happen to be standing around and filming all day. Notice how I said standing around and filming all day.
Yep, you're not capping right there.
Not capping at all. But no, seriously, like if you're filming all day, literally we film 8-hour days, and if you're standing all day, it gets tiring and your feet can get exhausted if you're not wearing the right insole. So I wanted to share you guys my custom insole that I've been wearing right here.
Wait, what?
Go ahead and check that out.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I know.
You designed it?
You didn't even, no, this right here, check it out. Lux Care.
I'm checking it out.
Literally says Gabe Cruz.
What?
It literally has my name on it.
I'm pretty sure that means you're professional.
I am a pro insoler now.
You've been doing it your whole life.
I've been insoling my whole life. So let me tell you how I got these insoles. I downloaded the app called Lux Care, that is L-U-X Care, and I scanned my foot. So basically all I had to do was get a scan of my foot, and it was able to tell me with some amazing artificially intelligent software where my pressure points are and where I need the most support. So basically what it says is that I need a lot of support here on my heel, and my arch, which is right here, was not supported enough. So they added a little bit of extra support here. They 3D printed it all, and now here we are with the custom Gabe Cruz 01 insoles that I can wear on a daily basis that is perfectly catered to my foot. So real quick, I want to just cover a few things about these insoles. They are very soft, they're nice and bendable, but it does not miss out on the support. It offers a lot of support for my ankles, a lot of support for my heels, and the impact is really good on it. It doesn't really feel like I'm taking too much impact on anything, which is always a very good thing, especially when you're skating or standing around all day. As you can see, it's very permeable, so when you're sweating, it doesn't really get too crazy. It doesn't absorb any water or anything like that, or any sweat, so you don't gotta worry about your feet getting too wet. Jeez,
Gabe.
awesome.
Well, thank you for sharing, Tree. Okay, you can stop sharing.
Right.
That's a lot. Oh my God.
I got enough.
You know, a tree doing this to you is like a dog licking your face.
I think I prefer a dog licking my face. Like I said, I've been wearing these all day.
You were wearing these all day and I didn't even notice.
I know. How would you? You never would have guessed. It's crazy. And now I got them in, and it's all good. A good absorption of impact. They feel really nice. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked to be repping my own custom insoles that I got 3D scanned and 3D printed to match the shape of my own foot. So pretty rad. All right, so Lux Care is now in crowdfunding. If you want to try and make your very own insoles, definitely go to the link in the description below. Download the app Lux Care, which is only available on the iPhone for now. Check it out and make yourself some custom insoles. Let's go and skate this skate park that we have never been to. I don't know how we've never been here, but it looks really fun.
Well, I looked at it and then I figured out why. You'll see soon.
Fair, let's get it.
Let's get it. Oh, I didn't see you there. What's up? We're at Morinda, right?
Yeah.
That's where we're at. We got Rick here doing some hardcore. Back on this? Yes.
Do it. 50 bucks right now.
What? Dude, that's pressure. Drop the board slide. All right. Start us off strong. Yeah. Don't break the board. Stay out the gate. I know there's an Uzi. Oh, there he is. A shiny Uzi. Wow. Anyways, we're here. We're going to check out the skate park. We're going to review it, see what we think, see what the Braille team thinks. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole idea here. We're going to rate the skate park and have fun at the same time.
We're on a quest.
Amazing. We're on a quest to get the 10 out of 10 rating.
Yeah.
Not going to happen.
It's like, hey, we've done all like Fremont, Newark, Milpitas. Those are all main quests. Right now we're on the side quest mission.
Bruh, this is a side quest for sure.
Look how lively the park is. Just take a little look around at what you see.
Look at all the nice blossoms.
Yeah, cherry blossoms fresh out of Osaka, Japan.
How you feeling, Uz?
Mystery.
Well, where should we start?
I was gonna ask the guys, where do you guys want to start?
I know where to start.
All right.
Where do we start?
I know exactly where to start.
I don't think you know, you haven't said
The
anything.
big curve thing up there. You're gonna start there?
Yeah.
What about this curb right here?
Well, we do have a curb right here.
Oh.
I'm sorry I asked you, Uzi, because I guess we're starting right here at the curb.
This is great.
That fence is shaky, brother.
That's the wrong obstacle.
Whoa!
I was gonna say, I think that's the wrong obstacle. Well, I got you right here. Wow, that was sick. Yep, that was sick. That trick, 10 out of 10.
Dang, man, all the ideas are really blossoming right now.
Wow. Gabe, you're like the wind, blowing it.
Dang, man, that really hurt.
Gabe,
Yeah.
that's what I like to do. It's fun. Like this.
Uzi, I feel like no one has skated this rail in like a year.
I think so. I think you're right. Those bump to bars. Get rid of them.
You don't like bump to bars?
Get rid of every bump to bar. If the bump to bar is greater than like a, what is that? Like a 60-degree angle, scrap it.
All right, I gotta hit this 3 block. It's part of the fun box.
Fun box.
It's not fun to me. Unfun box.
No fun box.
Yeah.
Why is it so strange?
Ricky, what I was telling Uzi is that I think no one has skated this rail in like a year.
Yeah, it does kind of feel like that.
Yeah, Chris?
Fire grab! I tried to tell me.
I love that pop on. Oh.
Yeah, I'm ready to slam right now. Why is that so funny?
No, it was just the way you said it was just funny.
It's kind of scary.
It is horrifying.
What in the drop tail slide or 50?
He's going gap tail.
Gat tail? Alright, I'll get the 50 for the vibes.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
I don't know if, oh, you got that.
Even with the wax, doesn't feel that great.
This guy's landing.
Yeah, that's like what you gotta watch out for right there.
That was a great first attempt. Bro. Dude, that is gnarly. Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Bruh.
We're gonna skate this seems like a perfect park. Honestly, this seems like a perfect park for Rick and Chris. But it's just where you gotta try the maximum effort to make it happen. Rick, are you trying maximum effort on
Who's
that?
Rick? My name's Nigel Ryan Jones.
See this? Someone gave him too much sugar today.
That was kind of scary. Honestly, the only thing that makes it scary is because you go up and no flat ground in the middle.
That was really sick though.
Kind of a steep bump too.
Chris, are you gonna land it?
I did.
You fell.
No, I landed it before that.
Alright, watch
All right,
this.
let's
This
take
time for a wholesome moment.
Just stay right here? Like, don't move a muscle.
I think it's here.
Or should I move?
He's coming out, I think.
That was nice. That's a good sound.
Fun.
That was nice.
Warms my heart.
That was the least try hard thing
It's
you
like
could possibly
you know
do.
those things at the fair where you pay at 50 cents? You put your feet on it, it goes
Yeah. Dang.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh yeah. Okay, where to? Curvy, extreme curvy ledge.
big curve.
Look it. What the?
Uzi, you went past the obstacle. Get back in bounds.
What?
Oh. I like the way you think so. I'm a babysitter for this man.
Dude, that sounds so satisfying.
It feels more satisfying than it sounds. It's great.
I bet you're lying. Chris got a little entourage over there. Let's call them the cherry blossoms.
Yeah, Uzi. Dang it.
One day.
Oh!
I'll take that one. I didn't think it's gonna happen.
Yeah, it is way harder from your way.
Yeah.
Style and with grace.
The best trick ever done at the skate park.
Where to now, Easy?
That was my favorite thing here.
Uzi, I would not be surprised.
You went right up to the fence line, every inch of the park in use, brother.
Yeah,
Hey, that was the single greatest trick ever done at the skate park, I think.
probably.
I think that was an NBD over there.
Look, you even mowed the lawn for him, brother.
Yeah.
No, look at, hey, shout outs to some independents. Mow down those bushes like nothing.
I was gonna say though, while we're here, we got kind of a steep hip right here on both sides. Could be kind of fun to
Swiss big
skate.
spin.
Well, for real, what trick would you like to see? Gabe's favorite. Maybe Gabe should hit it.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh, I got a trick on this. Mowgli's not here. I'm gonna hit a Mowgli energy gap.
Oh! Wow! Hey, well, you got a nice soft landing on the other side, Rick.
It's right there then.
Yeah! You suck today, man. Oh my God!
It's a really good spot, in my opinion.
I am the exact opposite.
What do you mean? Oh my God. That was a sick hard foot revert. Oh my God. I gotta get his back now. Dang.
Your reaction to that was on point.
Oh!
Yep, I hate it. Oh.
Dude!
It was ugly. Perfect shadow.
You conquered.
We gotta skate this at least. This is actually the coolest obstacle here.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
And then we got the nice bowl right there with no JD somehow again. Uzi, Rick.
Oh!
He just did that, didn't he? Gabe has just been missing all the bangers out here.
Well, yeah, I'm filming talking, and then they do tricks.
You know, sometimes talking head's more important than tricking feet. Cut that out.
Shut
That was
up.
so stupid. Shut. Oh, you're literally trying the same thing. Okay.
Oh! He got it! Oh!
That was dope.
That was crazy!
Spot right here.
Oh! Need some land.
I got that! Wow!
go!
I know how to do it now. I didn't plan my line well enough.
Hey, all in all, not a bad park, huh?
I rate this park 8 out of 10.
Dang! That might be one of the highest ratings you've given a
I
park
like
in a
this
while.
more than Fremont, maybe.
Wow!
Nah, there's no way. The only thing that it doesn't have is a chill area to skate flat. Like
Wow.
what, there?
Yeah, even that flat ground section, I was not safe there. People were trying to carve and I'm like in the way. But I'm like just trying to skate flat. So that's not good. But the park, a lot of unique features. A lot of bad things though. I wouldn't say it's anywhere near Fremont personally. Maybe the atmosphere is nice, very nice, but like that ain't it.
What's wrong with that?
I just don't like it.
Hippie jump, no stop.
Yeah. All right, this happens every time we go to Morinda Skatepark. We go to like, it doesn't look that fun. Like first impression, I'm like, ooh, this isn't gonna be that sick. We get warmed up, we start finding the lines, it gets really fun. But even after all that being said, I'm gonna give it a 6.5 out of 10. If it was like a desert around it, I would give it like a 3 or
I
like
give
a
it
4.
a 5.5. I changed mine. If this was my local park, I'd be like, I guess. But it looks like the end.
Hey, you know, you should give this one higher rating. You know why, Rick?
Why?
That sign right there.
Oh, it does say that's Rick's
Skateboarding,
board.
scootering, and inline. Look, that's why I like them more than Fremont. Scooters are allowed. Scooters are valid. They're allowed at the skate park.
Oh, they're not allowed at Fremont?
I watched a little
Bikes,
baby.
BMX, and scooters.
I watched a baby that is 2 years old trying to learn to skate on a scooter with mom. Kicked out. Get out of Fremont.
At Fremont?
Yeah.
That actually happened? No way!
Ow. That's it, you made
You
it.
clipped the whole stair and
That
still
was-
rolled away.
Let's go!
Lucas.
Shout out your IG.
That was like 4 years ago.
What?
Everyone always says that. I know.
Like 4 years ago.
What park? Fremont?
Yeah.
Dang. We've come full circle.
Look at him now.
Yeah.
You got anything you want to say?
No, just skate, have fun. That's all. That's
Very
all
much.
it's about.
Let's go.
I like that. All right, Gabe.
Oh yeah, man.
All right, everyone, that was the La Morinda Skate Park. It was a lot of fun. Like I said, we are on a side mission quest to find as many skate parks around the Bay Area that may be hidden or that we don't know about. So if you know of one, please let us know so we can go and shred it up. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And we want you to learn how to skateboard. We got everything you need right down there. Yeah.
Insoles.